GeriJoy allows an older adult the privilege to own a pet, whereby there are no physical or financial constraints preventing them from doing so. They can pet the dog, shake his paw, and talk to him 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing endless hours of companionship.
I'd bring this tablet to older adults, introduce them to the helper, and check in on them from time to time to see how they were doing. And I didn't realize just how much this helper meant to the client until I reviewed the logs. They talk about their kids, about their families. They talked about the weather, what they were eating, what they were doing. Sometimes the tablet would interject a news snippet, tell them what was going on. They were so happy just to have somebody there, someone to chit-chat with, someone to reminisce with, just a constant, non-judgmental companion who was simply there.
My fondest memory is of this lovely lady who on our initial visit was quite unhappy and even asked if she had to take the dog. To my surprise, I returned to a happier, smiling individual who could not wait to share the stories of her and her pet. Her little dog gave her flowers on her birthday, recited poems to her, encouraged her to take care of herself, and just simply made himself available to her night and day.
Sometimes the client would introduce the helper to friends or family that were visiting, and they take turns petting the dog, showing them off, marveling that it can actually speak. I realized what a presence this helper was for the older adults who were home alone for many long hours, sometimes days without a human presence. It's clear to me from the ongoing interactions between the helper and the client that this added to their quality of life.
It was such a joy for me to see how this little virtual pet dog on a tablet could so change the life of one person and make her final days happier.